Yamaha took the wraps of the XSR 155 in 2019. And although the motorcycle was introduced in Thailand, the neo-retro style motorcycle created an unusual fascination amongst Indians. The amount of feedback was so enormous, we were convinced the MT15 based XSR 155 was going to be launched in India very soon. But Yamaha had other plans, and those plans have now become a reality with the launch of the FZX in India. So in this video, we list down all the specs, features and pricing of the motorcycle to tell you all that you need to know about the new Yamaha FZX. And stay tuned till the end of the video as we tell you why Yamaha has chosen to launch the FZX and not the highly anticipated XSR 155 in the country. Before we begin, do click on that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on BikeWale's weekly uploads. The Yamaha FZX is based on the FZS, although with styling inspiration from the XSR 155. The shape of the fuel tank with the strip of metal running down to the seat and the round headlamp are all reminiscent of the XSR series. And we are not complaining. This styling has brought a fresh and rugged appeal to the brawny FZ series. Yamaha has also fitted the FZX with fork gaiters, aluminium brackets for the headlamp and on the front fender, a redesigned exhaust canister and a simple yet somewhat retro looking grab rail. It also gets a single piece seat with a tuck and roll design usually found on classic motorcycles. Yamaha is offering the FZX in a choice of 3 color options. There is matte black, a refreshingly bright matte copper paint and the metallic blue scheme that features a number graphic on the tank and a tan brown seat. The Yamaha FZX takes the list of features on the FZS a notch higher. While it comes with a full LED headlamp and tail lamp, the FZX also comes with a fully digital instrument cluster that is slightly different than the one on the FZS. The unit not only has a different shape and layout, but also gets Bluetooth connectivity as an option. Once connected to the motorcycle, the Y-Connect app offers a ton of information like fuel consumption check, battery and oil change reminder, and last park location. It also notifies the rider about any malfunction in the motorcycle. The FZX also comes with a USB charger fitted below the instrument cluster, ABS, and a side stand engine cutoff function. Underneath the frame that it shares with the FZS, the Yamaha FZX also borrows the same 149cc single-cylinder engine from the former. This engine is capable of producing 12.2 bhp of power and 13.6 Nm of torque, and it comes paired with a 5-speed gearbox. The hardware on the FZX isn't any different from the FZS and comes with telescopic forks at the front and a 7-step adjustable monoshock at the rear. Meanwhile, braking is looked after by a 282mm disc at the front and a 220mm disc at the rear that is accompanied by a single channel ABS. Yamaha has priced the FZX at Rs 1.16 lakh for the base version and Rs 1.19 lakh for the Bluetooth equipped model. Now, the FZX demands a premium of nearly Rs 9,000 over the base version of the FZS that retails at Rs 1.08 lakh. But it makes up for the higher price with its refreshed styling and extra features. Well, this is a question most of you have been asking. Why has Yamaha chosen to launch the FZX instead of the XSR 155 even though it had such a tremendous response? In our opinion, there could be two possible reasons. Firstly, Yamaha would not be able to price the XSR 155 aggressively. Although it is based on the MT-15, the XSR is positioned as a premium product globally, and that would mean that it would be priced higher than the MT-15 that costs Rs 1.40 lakh. And the second reason is the brand recognition that the FZ series has in India. The FZ range has been the highest selling model for Yamaha for a good number of years. So it made sense to go with a tried and tested name rather than introducing a completely new one like the XSR. If you liked the video, do leave a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts about the new Yamaha FZX in the comments below.